Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe. My name is Namrata. I am your English grammar teacher. Children, for English grammar, you will use single line copy. You will make one English copy, English one copy. That will be single line. Previously in class 2, you were using 4-line copies. But in class 3, for all the subjects, you will use single line copies, which you call it Hindi copy. But this time, everything, all English work, social study, science, all the work will be done in the different single line copies. Okay, fine. So children, today I will teach you lesson 1, nouns, proper, common and collective noun. In class 2, you have learned that all naming words are called nouns. See children, anything which you see around, which you can touch, hold, feel, has got names. And so they are all nouns, because I've already told you that all naming words are called nouns. Now there are so many kinds of nouns, but here you will learn common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Now what is a common noun? I'll give you the example. Suppose so many children are playing in the ground. Fine. But few of the children, they are wearing frock, skirt, have long hairs. So you call them girls. So girls is a common noun. Similarly, other children, those who are wearing pants, have short hairs, shirt, they are called boys. So boys is a common noun. So common noun and proper noun, this is the major difference, that general name given to a noun is a common noun and special name given to a noun is a proper noun. Special name means, what's your name? You are special. So your name is a proper noun. So many places are there, but a specific place where you are living is Gorakhpur. So Gorakhpur is a proper noun. Alright. Now open your book. I'll explain you in more descriptive way. Fine. So open your book. Lesson 1, page 7. Yes, children, see now. You have already learned in book 1 and 2 that all things that we see around us have names. The words that we use as names or naming words are called nouns. Just now I told you na? A name which we give in general to all persons, places or things of the same kind is a common noun. Follow? The example I gave you of girls and boys. See. A common noun, unless it comes at the beginning of a sentence, is always begins with a small letter, like dog, cat, man, women, etc. Means major difference between common noun and proper noun is कि common noun हमेशा small letters लिखा जाएगा unless it comes in the beginning. As you know, that sentences are always begin with the capital letter. If the common noun is like dog, dog is a pet animal. Now if it is a sentence, dog is a pet animal. Now when this beginning of the sentence dog is written, you will write with a capital letter. Otherwise, in between the sentence, common nouns are always written in small letter. That is the difference between common and proper noun. Whereas proper noun, wherever the name which we give to a particular person, place or thing is a proper noun. Now see here. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Whether it is in the beginning of the sentence, or it is in the middle of the sentence, or it is in the end of the sentence, it will always will be written in a capital letter. This is the thing. If you are reading a sentence and if you find a word written in capital letter, means beginning with capital letter, not the whole word is written in capital letter. If the letter is begin with the capital letter, that means it is a proper noun. Followed. And in the common noun, it is always written in the small letter. But if the common noun is in the beginning of the sentence, then only it will be written in the capital letter. I think this is clear. Now see, I am reading this line again for you. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter followed by small letters. Followed. See here. Rita. Rita is a name. R is capital. The rest all is in small letter. Rita, Kalyan, John, Tilak, Salim, etc. These are the examples. So, I think proper noun, common noun is clear to you. Now there is one exercise given. See what you have to do. You must, whenever you do the exercise, you must read the instruction what you have to do. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or common. Now see, one has been done for you. Now this exercise, children, you have to do it in the copy because there is no space. First one they've already done, but rest all of the sentences you will do in the copy. And how you have to do it, I'll send you the photo of it. Okay? Now let's do. See. The name of my brother is Varun. Now first we have to see what are the nouns here. Name, brother, Varun. Excuse me. Name is a common noun, brother is a common noun, and Varun, see, it's written in capital, it's a proper noun. Followed? So name, brother written small, they are common nouns, and Varun is a proper noun. So it's written as it is. It's clear that it's written in the capital letter. Now second sentence. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now you have to see what are the nouns here and you have to underline. Shah Jahan, Taj Mahal, wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Wife is also to be underlined. So these are all nouns. Now though all the nouns that are written in capital letters are proper nouns. Shah Jahan, Taj Mahal, Mumtaz Mahal. These are proper nouns and wife is a common noun. Another one, Ali Baba found a cave full of treasure. Ali Baba, proper noun. Cave, treasure, common noun. Alright? Now number 4, many visitors come to the city in winter. Visitors, city, winter. They are all common noun. Number 5, Sachin is a great cricketer. Sachin, proper noun, cricketer, common noun. The match will be held on Monday. Match, common noun, and Monday, see it's written in capital, days of the week are proper noun. So Monday is a proper noun. Our school is now closed for Christmas. School, common noun, and Christmas, proper noun. Have you borrowed my book from the library? So what are the nouns here? Book and library, and both are common nouns. Number 9, the birds had built their nests in the tree. Birds you can see, so it's a noun and it's a common noun. Nest you can see, it's a noun, common noun. And tree also you can see, it's a naming word. So Tree, nest, birds, these are all common nouns. Number 10. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the name of the mountain, so it's a proper noun. Mountain and world, these are common nouns. So this exercise you'll do in the copy and I'll send you the photo of it. Fine? Thank you.